Hello, my name is Shane from System Administration and Hardware Maintenance Division. Do you have a problem with your printer scanner? Come and watch this video just in case it helps in fixing your printer scanner. So, scanner problems include scanners that won't turn on, strange noises from scanners, and scanners that won't scan, and others. The following are some troubleshooting tips for simple scanner issues. Make sure that the scanner software is installed correctly and all the settings were properly configured. Ensure that the scanner's power light is turned on. Uninstall and reinstall the software if you notice any software issues with your scanner. Check the cables if it was properly connected. Overheating, dust, or a humid atmosphere can permanently damage the scanner. Lastly, by restarting your computer, removing cables, and checking for any hardware conflicts in the device manager, you can diagnose and troubleshoot the possible problems. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you fix your printer scanner. Bye-bye!